You know, lots of people get really concerned when they see toadstools and mushrooms growing in the lawn, especially at this time of year. Quite often they're very harmless. The one or two are dangerous, but people get concerned, especially if they've got small children or small pets, because they want to see what's going on. It's very easy to get rid of these toadstools and mushrooms. You can use things like Epsom salts, you can use bicarbonate of soda, and you can use sugar. With the sugar, the way that works, it overloads the toadstools with carbohydrates, and so they shrivel up and die. With the sodium bicarbonate of soda, basically you raise the pH on the surface of the mushroom and toadstool, and they just shrivel up, and quite often they'll die within 24 hours. And it's very easy. All you need to do, just water so that, you know, the tops of the toadstools and mushrooms are soaking wet. This time we're using bicarbonate of soda. Dust it over. You don't need a lot, just a light covering. Make sure you get each one. And there we go, job done, and it's just a matter of time before they actually die. We did some a little bit earlier, probably three-quarters of an hour ago, and already you can still see the bicarbonate of soda on them, but you can see how they've changed colour. Instead of being this golden yellow, they're turning to a dull chestnut brown. By morning they will be black and all shriveled up. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.